So this is a really crude bastardization of Nash equilibrium tables. This is a subset of a category called game theory. Alright, so we have four possible outcomes. Climate change is real and we adapt to it. Climate change is real but we don't adapt to it. Climate change is not real but we do adapt to it. Climate change is not real and we don't adapt to it. Okay. If climate change is real, well, that's pretty bad. If climate change is not real, that's just kind of like neutral. It sucks that we were lied to, but, you know, that's if the Earth's okay. If we do adapt to it, then that should, you know, everything should be okay. We'll come up with a 0 in this outcome. It's not bad. It's not good either. You just reach an equilibrium. In the case that climate change is real, which is bad, and we don't adapt to it, that would be, like, really, really bad. So, let's give this a score of -20. If climate change is not real, which is fine, but we do adapt to it, that would really suck. Because, like, that's just like, you know, you just got scammed. So, that's a bad outcome. I'm going to give that a score of -10. Let's say climate change isn't real, which is fine, and we don't adapt to it. Then, you know, that's just another neutral outcome. Okay, so over here, here's the neutral outcomes. Climate change is real, and we adapt to it. Climate change is not real, and we don't adapt to it. Okay, and here's the worst case scenarios. Climate change is real, and we don't adapt to it. I'm going to say, I gave that a score of -20. And climate change is not real, which means the Earth's going to be okay, but if you adapted to it, you just wasted a ton of your resources and really screwed your life over. Which isn't as bad as if it is real and you don't adapt. So, adapting to a false threat seems to be less bad than not adapting to a real threat. So that's all I got for now. We're going to do more on this later.